because they look really ratchet. And my toes too. I don't even want to show you my toes. This is how I brush my teeth, brush my teeth, brush my teeth. This is how I brush my teeth so early in the morning. Wow. Is your teeth clean? Good job. Okay, rinse. Rinse. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. It's a beautiful day today. It's actually pretty freaking hot. And yesterday, we bought a little pool for Skylar. And we just put like the garbage bag on top of it because we filled it up last night with water. And I was afraid that it'd get dirty in the morning, you know, like bird poop and stuff. I don't know, you never know. So we covered it up, and then later on she's gonna go in there because it was way too hot yesterday. Yesterday was Canada Day, and we did shit all yesterday, you guys, because this prego mama just did not want to be out in the heat. It was so mother effing hot yesterday. The reason why we bought Skylar a pool, even though we have a pool already here in our clubhouse, is that sometimes it's just way too busy at the clubhouse pool, and it's just nice for her to, like, if she's hot at home, you know, and she's sweaty, it's just nice for her to just go on the deck and just play with the water and stuff to keep herself cool. So yeah, we got her a pool. And when I met up with my work mom last Thursday, or was it Thursday? She had a little pool in her backyard, and Skylar really loved it, so I thought I'd get her a pool too. Anyway, she is upstairs right now. She's watching Egg Surprise, What's New? And I'm just about to make breakfast. So I'm just gonna make some eggs and toast. This is probably gonna be the last vlog for the week before we leave for Hawaii, because we leave for Hawaii tomorrow. And I actually wasn't sure if I get to vlog at all this week before we leave, but I packed last night and I just need to pack a little bit more, and we're pretty much done. So that way I have time to upload and edit this vlog tonight, and tomorrow I'll just kind of, you know, get ready to go. I gotta vacuum and clean up around here. Is it just me, or do you guys do that too? When you guys go away on vacation or just away in general, do you guys clean the house before you leave? Because I don't know if it's just me, but I like to come home to a clean house. Yeah, maybe it's just me. And I gotta get my nails done sometime today because they look really ratchet. And my toes too. I don't even want to show you my toes. But I'm waiting for some girl to come and pick up or buy this off of me, because I sold it on a shop and swap in my local area. Just a little floaty that I bought for Skylar a while back, and we were going to bring that to Hawaii. But then we ended up getting her a life jacket instead. I don't really have use for the other one, so I sold it, and some mom's going to come by and pick it up for me. But what else is new, you guys? Since I haven't vlogged, I saw my OB last Monday. Well, actually I saw locum because my OB was away on vacation. But my GTT was a little high, like by 3 points. And I'll actually explain all of that when I get back, because I'm going to do my pregnancy update as well as Skylar's 19-month update. So I'll explain all of that, but just to keep it short, I was a little pissed off. So right after I saw my OB, I went to the famous Lucky's Donuts. This is one of the really good donut shops in Vancouver. I think there's like 2 more left. This one is green tea. And this one is, I think it's maple pecan. I was hella pissed and I was like, oh, might as well, you know, have my donuts now. Is that egg? Mmm. Is it yummy? Say hi.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, you're giving kisses? Okay. Thank you. Any of you guys are wondering how to properly slice mangoes or a mango, this is how you do it. Because you can just easily eat it like that. Excuse my stretch marks, but I just wanted to show you guys this crazy boy kicking me. Whoa. It's moving this one. Look at this. Did you see that? A day before we leave, and Chris is home now. Skylar is napping, thank goodness. So this is pretty much my mommy time. I love getting the opportunity to get my nails done whenever I can. So I'm here at Sky Nails and Spa. I've gone here a couple times, but the last time I've been here I wasn't really happy with how they did my nails, because I mean it was pretty much my fault because I came an hour before they closed and I could see that they were trying to hurry up and do my nails really quickly, and I don't know, I didn't really like the end result because they were rushing to do my nails. But I'm gonna give them a try again. So this time I had to book it because I wasn't sure how busy they'd be, and if I walked in, sometimes, you know, they tell you to come back and I don't want to have to come back again. So I ended up getting this color. It's sort of like a really bright corally pink with glitter on top. Someone's awake from their nap. Come here, honey. What's this, honey? I got her a Happy Meal toy. Yeah, what is that? I don't even know what that is, but I asked them if they had Minion toys, and they don't come out till next week, so. Yeah, you like it? Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap? Can I have a kiss? You want me to open it for you? Want me to open? Can I have a kiss first? Mwah. Okay.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what that is either. Can I see?
It's like
Can
a
Mommy
fish.
see?
It's like a birdfish.
Wow.
I don't know what it is. Is it a bird? Is it a fish?
Fish.
Yeah,
Surprise.
it is. Can Daddy see?
Oh, you can wind it up and then it flaps the ears or something.
Here we go.
Whoa! Having fun?
What
Yeah.
is that?
I don't know, honey.
What's this guy?
Oh, somebody's crying. You hear a baby crying?
Oh,
Yeah.
guy.
Sit down, honey.
Sit down.
You splash.
Splish splash.
Oh.
Having pizza for dinner, and Skylar already had dinner and Daddy already had dinner. So, hi, look at her. She's naked. Well, not really, but it's so hot in here, so we just leave her naked. Right, baby? Okay, we're gonna close out the vlog for tonight. So, the next time we see you guys in the next vlog, we'll be in Hawaii. Say, aloha mahalo. Yay. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye. Bye, guys. We'll see you in Hawaii. Bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Good night. Hey. So, Lexi has a channel. I'll link it below. If you guys are like feeling down or you just need like that boost of happiness, check out her channel because she has really inspirational and motivational videos.